make you 2 bills and tell her to keep the change, baby.
Wow.
I got it like that.
Wow.
Hey, baby, you didn't know?
Wow.
Baby, it is obvious, you know, that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you. Baby, it is obvious, you know, that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you.
I'll spray a little bleach over here and then I'll bring it. Wait, the Grinch person is in here? The Grinch person is in here?
Look at them.
Hi guys. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Yeah.
Oh, go on my peeps. You don't know, you know. You know the Rash Nation out there, you know. You see me I say? Yeah. Them say them all cook. Eh, but I don't say you go. Them I want me to teach them. So them start you know. So see what I go on there.
What? You need anything before I put a bill back on?
No, I think I'm gonna just pass me that small cutting board.
Where's the kind of nation out there, baby?
So we can Nique nation.
Nique nation.
Right.
I don't know.
Come on, talk about rush. Be a rush.
I'm not business about your nation.
Oh, you're not business about my nation?
My nation, me I deal with.
Okay.
Yeah. So you cook today, baby?
Steak, macaroni and cheese, baked macaroni and cheese, corn, and fried shrimp.
Okay, so the meal on you.
Sunday's bills.
Yeah. Right, Debbie. I need one of the big knives.
I be a cook on the channel, I know, baby.
Yeah, so when I cook, man.
That's the thing set, man.
Nah, I cook. I enjoy my food more when I cook too. Now sometimes when you buy food, it's a road.
Not sometimes, all the while. All the while. That's what I go on now, I bubble so. How bubble so now, Debbie?
The water for the mac and cheese. To boil the noodles.
Okay.
Yeah.
You season the water?
Yeah.
And I'm peeling the shrimp.
I'm seasoning the water because I just use just water and salt.
Yeah, it don't got no flavor.
Ain't not enough flavor and all of that. So. That's how I'll get the noodles them flavor.
I find the one, yeah. Okay. Yeah, look here.
What? I know you're recording this, so I'm recording all that stuff that he done got.
I got use the one of that. Now you cut it here, baby?
No.
No, you don't know if you cut it.
No, you know, so I know do it. It's time for you to stop lying to the people them now. It's time.
Yeah, but if you wash it one and there, and then this will stay back, you have to wash it.
That's not going to stay back. You don't know nothing about me. I'm a cooking.
Okay.
I want if someone else come going like say me just new to the thing. I want this.
Yeah, no.
We're true to this.
Yeah, no.
When I new to this, we're true to this.
No, you don't know. You don't know what to think though. A long time I teach you, man. You must get it, you know. You see me I say? Yeah.
People, apart from other things, ask him what have him here so long. Ask him.
I'm like mad people.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
That's why.
He finally ended it.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is gonna be the onion I'll put in the pot so you can get it straight.
Okay.
And I'm gonna cut these up to put in the pan. Yeah.
Put there.
This shrimp is so cold. Oh my god.
I'm gonna freeze off your hand, not true.
It's not that bad because I have the gloves on. Purple, come back in the night so you can teach us.
Oh, to teach.
Remember last time I rush cook for me, I'm in a bed, people, remember? And he wash and he cook fish for me and everything, so I feel there now.
No, I'm in a bed. And you know wash. So yeah, then I'm
You're
gonna
gonna be
say.
grateful you have dinner.
No, for real, I'm grateful.
Come back in the night.
Watch him.
Come back in the
I'm gonna come over here, come kiss you, because you're not getting no rusty, okay? Yo.
No.
You hear that, people? Alright.
Come back.
No.
Yeah, but he just said 3 of them is for him.
Teach me.
Right.
Me.
And he said that in the last video when he cook for mommy. He said, oh, this is for me, and them say, y'all make food for, yeah, I make reservation for food where not even green.
Alright, since I gone back, since I gone back for video where I said last video, and you name 10 egg.
You see it? Anything sweet you?
When so are your ass?
Me not eat no 10 egg.
yeah.
You don't lie.
Yes.
Tell the truth. Me don't eat any 10 egg.
I true, I must about 12. Oh yeah.
I'm going to get 12 lick, yeah.
That now go happen. That will never happen. You will never live to see that happen.
I don't never do.
Babe, when you're looking at the camera and talking, I feel look.
So, you love it though.
Yeah.
You love it though.
Listen.
Period.
My shawty.
Say what's your price? If you back it up, you can hold my eyes. Now we're saying and you know
I know the song before you.
Watch your
That's why you didn't know before me because I don't even know it.
Oh, same thing, so I still know it before you.
I get ready to put in noodles. You know the season water.
Yeah. Just like that.
Whoever has me, tag me. Look.
Just like that. That's how them a deal with the thing. You see me? Yeah man, I'm just there going chilling right there.
No, he's not chilling, he's bothering us.
And them I say, boy, them will cook, so I say, alright, then me just hold the camera, you see me? So that means me must get food.
Cameraman, do your work.
No, videographer. Bright.
No, you say I work camera.
Yeah, me I hold camera, yes. But a videographer.
Then we don't call a videographer if you say,
No,
you
me a videographer.
But I say, alright, videographer, when you say you have camera, so we call it a
Only
cameraman.
3 people.
So me not have to hold the camera. Alright then, take camera. See? Me have to hold it.
You saw him flinging around ground, you know, love, no. And I'm going to talk about Rush Nation. I'm just throwing out ground stuff.
Nation
Like,
out
oh,
there.
it's nothing. I'm just do it.
Rash Nation out there. I'm tell you.
Him don't love
That
y'all.
one I had this steak.
No, my mama.
Okay.
I'm doing the shrimp and the corn.
Okay.
And I'm making brownies.
I know everybody for the state, huh?
Yeah, that's what I
She
think.
said she never in the mood today.
Okay, okay.
But I'm still helping her.
What you said, Emma, she can do the dessert and the shrimp.
You want dessert? You know, go Arizona, baby man. I am motor.
I didn't say
First of
dessert.
all,
I said dessert.
We're making slutty brownies. That's what it's called.
3-layer brownies.
And then beat up a steak with ham a long time. You know?
Beat it up like it stole something from.
You want to go like a tough cow, then go buy.
Tough for a good core ribeye.
Yeah, we don't eat cheap steak.
Period.
If you gotta do it the cheap way, don't do it at all.
Thank you.
Yeah, because what happened with the cheap one?
It always.
That one, how many
It's
cheap
not funny. We didn't need you to bring that up.
Oh, it's gonna curl up.
It's like a full up, so.
The people will buy one steak on here. Me say, me have which part of the code that I eat back I code that.
And I was so mad.
Tough?
Because I stood here and my feet and
Okay,
sat
let's
here
join.
and
Let's
took
join the
it.
code by ourselves. Let's join the code by ourselves.
So you go, man.
I tell her, because she said sometimes you cook and it don't really come out like what she wants to say.
That one, I saw you go down. It tap is
Yes,
chest.
cook and chef.
That happened too.
Yeah?
You understand me, I say? Mm-hmm.
The code is my username.
Alright, I got,
Alright, them might do them little thing and thing, you know what I mean? So, you don't know further on in the news.
put the code.
Alright, so me just know, yo, she greedy, yes, man.
So when you don't know what people back on it's okay.
You want some good lighting.
Don't make me class and say,
Yeah, man. Greedy, yeah? I'm going to tell you about greediness.
oh, I need to turn the oven on. And I gotta stir my noodles.
Yeah. We are call it, you know, the al dente. Yeah?
Al dente. Alright.
Yeah, man.
No one.
So you don't know the things. Hey, hear me, I say. Wanna like, share, yeah, I mean, and comment and subscribe on the thing them. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, share it, give it some people, man, make them laugh or, and everybody go like everything. Oh, yeah, nice. Yes, enough so. After me I talk to the Rash Nation. Yeah.
It's not Rush Nation.
Hey, boy. Yeah, man. And everybody go like everything, everything, or every content. But share up the thing, them, man. Give family, a friend, and all them something, man. Yeah, I mean, support the thing, man. Support black business. That's what I say all the while. Don't. My black, don't. YouTube of my business, right? Alright, do the thing. And the next thing.
Really does.
Well, I tell you, yo, sometime Probably we not both yet because too much people know we. And that I think. And when people know you and you do a thing and you kind of a step up, them nobody want like you again. That I go around here so. Run a Houston, Texas. Yeah. When I hide and talk a fox. Yeah. That's the real way, brother. Everybody. And you gigi. And anytime you go to bumps and say, boy, I'm going to do this for me. There's a problem with them. But guess what? Let them go and do them thing, man. Okay. Let them go and do them thing, man. The world big. You see me say, I'm not get no love run at Houston. Can't get to that Florida, San Antonio, whatever, wherever. You understand me? I say? Alright. Denzel, he said that, you know. Big up yourself, Denzel.
One dad.
Yeah, man, him said that for one of our video, man. I say, yo, the most support you get are from people who don't know you. Alright. The devil run us now. A shake, you know. Like a tambourine on the shrimp. All of a sudden, you just love the cayenne pepper, so. I'm busting up on cayenne pepper, you know?
No, you didn't.
I mean, no. How when me do the Dr. Sebi thing and cayenne pepper start coming out the house, I be a scotch bonnet when I used to use. Bruh.
Who is it? Oh no, I just start cooking and I always use cayenne pepper.
Mean one. That mean you me a chat.
No, you just my mom.
Alright, then say baby there no baby. Tell them where the baby come, no know.
Just look at minced garlic, look at onion, look at butter, and look at olive oil in the pot. Come here, I just kinda sear the steak look a bit before I put it in the oven.
Hold on there. David, are you a style shot take away? Yeah, no. Yeah, Devon, say something now. Devon, I mean, you can't beat you.
It's too damn mixed up. I don't know. We're coming out trouble, Devon.
Alright, people, if you think I lie, me I tell, check the video before.
I'm a darker style.
Okay. I mean, David, them take away your style.
But it's okay because I took away somebody else's style.
I just say you go still.
I'm not going to season the shrimp too much because the batter already got seasoned.
Wash everything, baby. I use baby wash, you know, so we deal with the thing down.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
When I cook with dirt.
Alright.
Everything I have to wash and clean. And when I step in the kitchen, I just clean everything. I have to wipe down with bleach and everything before I start cook.
Alright.
Me and germs now go green.
Alright then, you see that? Alright then.
Me and germs and food no green.
Alright.
It's serious, you know? I serious something, you know? People have running belly.
That's the reason why we wear
That's
our
not a problem, baby. If them are running belly, I go buy a rope, man. And tight, man. That's
and that's why we wear our bonnets while we're cooking.
Yeah, because we don't want to ear
No hair
and
and
eyeglasses.
I got it.
Debbie, I have to see what she has to say.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not going to speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Body.
Yo, you hear that? Yo, low blow. You said Devon have to see what she do.
Yeah. First of all, I can see without my glasses.
Wow, low blow, Debbie.
You won't put me under the bus like that.
Man, say that good.
I'm sorry, Debbie.
It's a good in a driver.
I'm talking the truth.
It's a good in a driver in a bus.
If I had a driver, I was a runner over.
Alright, you don't know the thing setting up people.
To my baby.
But there, man, for the Sunday, you know what I mean? I Sunday vibes or Sunday chill.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how the thing set. Come on.
And you know what we love when you know? Because I always drive up on Sunday. You notice that?
Alright.
Yeah, we love them, man. Them,
Yeah.
When I was at
Sundays
2
are really family days. Really.
Alright.
Yeah, chill there.
I now promise you no, but me I said the thing the Sunday thing where we always do. The feel say we do it every Sunday, don't?
Yeah, we have to do. We have to tell a friend about Rush and Nique. We have to like, we have to comment, and we have to share. I want to share it, tag with in it. If you share it on Facebook, RASHKAMAR or Nique, ANIQUE. If you share it on Instagram, First Lady Nique or RASHKAMAR. You see what I say?
Right.
So we have to share the thing. If you don't want the video them coming, share the thing. Tell a friend.
Yes.
That's what the thing says.
Yes.
You know me I go ask you know. Now we have cook and we have go all places and we have video and we have post and all them things there. What do you think about some more prank? Because them afraid of me, you know, them don't want to start prank me, you know. You don't know that. No, me not say that. Me not say that, you know.
Who's scared of you?
Oh no?
Come on, I got that you want to say.
No, but the foolishness, because last time we prank you with the shoes, I cry living near water.
Okay.
And then when
my
me
mom pranked you.
Eh?
And
No,
when my
me
mom
not cry.
pranked you,
Me not cry.
You
Me not
stormed
Devon,
out the house.
call the ambulance!
And you stormed out the house.
And what you say?
And when you find us is a prank, guess what you do? Don't do that blood clot.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
was mad. So
But you can't say nothing, how about you?
Talk them at all.
Yeah. See, go watch the prank. Passing out on my husband
y'all can
prank.
see
What?
it for yourself.
Right. I mean, I feel like the proof is in on the channel. Poop.
And that's big fact.
Facts on facts on facts.
I got you.
Can't take one.
Yo, sorry, sir. YouTube never have a smelling thing. Guys, want to smell all this?
Yo, it smells good.
Smell nice.
It smells really nice.
Yeah.
We're going to get it.
Yeah. Must train the map. That.
The noodles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then
Then after get it.
And I have to wash out this pan for the mac and cheese.
yeah. You know, I hear I did that ever, right? I hear do that, right? The mac and cheese.
It looks like it now because well, both of us is doing it.
Alright then.
But purple will stab me because it's
I'm just glad the day when I start teaching what to do in the house.
Excuse
Trust me, you don't know the things set, you know.
my mom been on how to cook before she's in it.
Thanks.
Yeah. No.
Oh, thank you, Daddy.
No, that's fuck. For real. But she couldn't cook these stuff.
Yes, she could.
She couldn't cook.
Put this on the regular.
She couldn't cook these stuff.
Yes, I
We
could.
tried it.
And still can. Poo. And you like to have a poo.
Yeah. Why you not pulling now?
Right.
Oh man, I knew
Oh, the
thing
woo.
with
I didn't one.
Yeah.
Oh, listen, I'm about to look down this and I get none of that. Woo.
Because I'm about to flip the steak for you, Mom.
Thank you, honey.
No, take it back. You didn't want to tell me at first.
Agree with Devon. I'm hungry. I just saying you have to too long for one side and I'm hungry.
No, because we putting it in the oven, so we don't really keep it on the stove for that long.
Yeah.
Well, the cheese I melted can't go on.
Yo, get a baby like mine and get a other like mine. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah, like us.
Can't dead for hungry boy. Two of them can cook and my son can do him breakfast. You see me?
That's true.
But I know the way I go on breakfast. More dinner more. Oh, and next thing again, you know. You don't know. You may say, if you don't want to say dancehall thing them, RASHKAMAR Entertainment. Remember, like, share, comment. You know what I mean?
Subscribe.
And subscribe, you see me? And then me have a next thing again, RASHKAMAR Entertainment Vlog. This now, before and after dancehall. You see me I say?
My turn.
Before the people I'm going to the party and after they go in and drink and attack shit in the morning, I got that too. RASHKAMAR Entertainment Vlog. So you don't know, just tune in for the thing them man. I want to know man. The silent watcher them. Share them. Because if you don't know and comment, you just share them around. You hear that? Alright my boss. I don't know, baby.
Making the batter for the fried shrimp.
Yo, the dinner you have a nice.
The whole restaurant them a deal with dinner yeah.
Yeah.
Fried shrimp and you know what I mean? Cow foot and steak and you know what I mean? All kind of stuff on corn and curry goat.
So the sauce after the steak.
Yeah, she make her own sauce, but me there do something and I think it's fit. Catch it, you know?
It's only us.
Because I don't want the vlog too long, you know, but if you have a long, for sure, no.
He's a stupid.
Oh, me two people and me teach.
Down in the kitchen.
Oh, me two people, me teach for
Nothing.
how them get down
No.
in the kitchen.
No. You tried it.
Tried it.
To the 10th top.
Yes.
I see.
Oh, no, God, that's the thing, man. You know dinner soon already?
Behind you.
Yeah.
Trust me.
Because you see when the two of us do together.
Mm-hmm. In real life.
Yo, it's everything's
And we don't
moving.
use pipe water when we cook.
Oh, they know that. They've seen that in
They know that already.
more than one vlog.
Hold on.
Okay, this is a big consistent.
Yes, so baby.
I'm not sure. Oh.
Yeah. Baby say make, where say bake
Mac and cheese. I'm gonna use real cheese. I'm not using no sauce or the velvet. I'm like that. I buy the block cheese and melt it.
So what you gotta do this now, baby? I don't know. I had it.
Where you get this from?
I definitely use.
For the what?
When should I mix up the thing, man, before you go?
Yeah.
I sure you gonna take up the next one? Are you gonna take up the next? Go for the next one, you know?
Okay, these things are gonna come out the
So that not ready because you gotta do some other something for it, don't? Some other cheese and something.
Let me see that pan. This pan. Because the snake gotta come out.
Watch and learn. Me that a beer ride, me a ride on the bike. Ying, pan the ying.
I'm done.
Alright, so Dev, you know I take out them and now because you don't know. You sear it, right? Yeah. And then now you have to put it in the oven. So that's what Dev and I deal with our thing.
I gotta put this other one on there first.
There you go. Yeah. Yeah, man, that's enough cheese, baby. And cheese fully fair, no? I think I know. Or, but, where no pasta?
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's breadcrumbs. So we get the crust on the top. You don't know, no? You see? Them I do, I just say what going to happen because I know and me teach them.
No, you didn't.
I know, man. Don't worry yourself, man. The truth so reveal.
Yeah.
Right there, I crave for some curry goat, but me want to make it, so I don't know. When I'm there.
I mean, make the gungo.
One of them there. I don't know if I Sunday or you know, we don't have Sunday dinner, Monday dinner. We just cook what we feel like fit today. Cause we could have go to Bams and say some soup or one on the Sunday. We just cook some soup. That's how we cook. We not say boy Ray because of the watch you know. How would this Achilles master?
That was not funny.
So I don't know the thing set, you know. As me telling already, like, share, comment. I mean, and subscribe.
So you have macaroni, people?
Yeah. Nique, right? You know? From the class. You see me? Yeah.
What kind of class? Which class are you talking about? Answer me, which class are you talking about?
Cooking class from me.
You don't even know how to make big mac and cheese.
Right.
Let's put the cheese in the oven, man, and I will think that and bake it.
I'm going to stay in there for about 5 more
You want the crisper?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to make sure so. And the steak in there too, you know, show them that. So the
Yeah,
steak up on the
but
bottom.
you cover still. Yeah, see it there? Yeah.
And I'm over here cleaning.
No, the macaroni
Clean as
smells
we
really
go.
good.
We don't leave the kitchen dirty.
I don't know, I don't really that. But then Jamaica where I run both, them say
Show them the back of the steak.
the ugliest person wash the plate.
First of all,
them the
you
batter for the shrimp?
Mama,
Huh?
did you hear him?
What him say?
He talking about some the ugliest person clean.
Wash the plate.
Wash the plate.
And that's how you're definitely doing.
You should have given me the camera and be over here.
He should have been the one doing it.
What it now?
Boy, ugliest person, right? I'm pitting.
Oh, like a mama.
Mommy, hear that?
I'm
Ugly like my mama.
No, definitely ugly like a mama. You ugly like you. And ugly like him.
No.
Baby.
Don't baby. You know how many manners.
You look at donkey.
Oh.
You look at donkey
I
now.
want to go out.
Put some more in. Come in here, don't.
I'm going to take
Somebody have a donkey
I
nose?
have not ate all day.
I'm not eating that, man.
Nobody know you come on.
I got a donkey nose. You love it though.
Yeah.
But when does
I like when you go up. I like when you go up. You like it donkey then. I go say, that's my last video. You go up. Do it again, baby. I say. Yeah, do it again.
No, I'm not doing anything.
Do it again.
To mix up.
Baby, do it again now. Me tell you about it.
We're not doing anything.
Yeah,
Like
never. Yeah, man, muscle up on the pot, yeah. Some dead hard pot you should have washed. Some big pot you can, where you're going and bend down so you can, they can't see you. Yeah, man, that's how we go on, you know.
When I say so, we go.
Yeah.
When I say so, we go.
Yeah.
Boom. Hey, 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 hey. Go Rush, go Rush, go Rush, hey. Go Rush, hey. Go Rush, go Rush. Oh, man.
Whoa. Don't know the thing is set now. I want to know. Yeah, man, I'm teaching for dance too. Yeah? See that? Take off the top of it. You can. Oh. Damn, it smells good. You don't cook? You go sleep till Tuesday when you wake up.
No.
Yeah.
Try this. Oh, yes. Yes.
Yeah. You look like you can't taste already down, baby.
Yeah, put it in.
No, you cannot taste already. No, I don't have to leave it for the
You can't taste it. I cook there.
No cook. No cook. True. I'm not ready for taste it. Cause you know me I taste her, right?
No, you're not. The cooks are the taste.
Fine, I'll stand on the bench. I'll stand on the bench.
Yeah, man. Yeah, stop. It's a cook now and I get it crispy now, right?
On the top one. I remember say kind of cook a little bit, you know.
Fry in the pot.
From the pot, so I'm not put it too much.
I said, Devin know what say I gotta know.
Make 3-layer brownie.
She said she gonna lay brownie. Alright then.
Wait now, I'm slutty brown.
Hold up. So,
I'm
wait.
done.
Why do we have to sit on the bench? We
Little
can
bit.
still hear
Hey.
you. We don't have to.
So you're an pregnant on this face.
No, for real. Because the paper's not going to close properly anyway.
Oh.
Eating dead for a reason, guys. Guys, I repeated.
Okay.
Just step back here, Papa.
And then Nique now.
Is it? Yeah.
So,
You can't taste it now.
Can't taste now, baby?
Can.
Yeah.
Getting ready, boy.
Yeah.
You got the fork on standby.
Sunday, I'm not supposed to work. I'm still a teacher, you know what I mean? That's why I think that, yeah. Still a teach.
Wait.
what?
Baba said each one teach one.
Yeah. What fun, do you think now? Yeah. Devo's Bakery.
I got a lot of things catering.
Yeah, I lose focus. Okay, so Devo and I put the butter. The butter.
Batter.
Butter. Golden Devi. Hey. Yeah. You see that, baby? Yeah, man. I'm so proud of my students. Yeah.
Still going.
I'm so proud. Sorry. I'm so proud of my students. Yeah, they're doing good. They're doing well. In the kitchen. You know what I'm saying? Cup and can or can and cup. Donkey cup. And that's how we do the can. We season water, car. You know what I mean? Yeah. Can them sweet already. But they're not sweet. You want some flavor, right, David?
Right. Don't ask me.
So they don't know cook still.
Oh, okay.
I don't talk to you about your steak already now. You have to cook your steak, you know? The one that you want to take your glory.
Oh, you put the oven, you set the oven before?
Yeah, for Thursday here.
Okay.
Yeah, man, so. And that's why, you know. And we have our brownie,
You know what? That's more
mac and cheese, steak, can, fresh one. Golden. Yeah. Alright. Good, man. Yeah, this is mine, you know. There's a phone, you know.
No. Okay, come on.
Yo, them greedy, you know. Yeah, them greedy. Oh, them greedy, they don't want to give me enough food, you hear them?
It takes one to know one.
Right, that's your own? Them greedy, right?
No.
Give me up, sure. Alright, you see? So that what that for? Actually hot though. Nice though.
Yeah. Huh?
Breadcrumb.
That's what I said. So yeah, me and my daddy are gonna show you my thing. That's our thing, you know? Our thing. Oh. Yeah, good lighting. And yeah, wish it with me, but it's not. Yeah, you don't know it. Yeah. Let me see it. So I can record. We put it in breadcrumbs, the last couple of shrimp. What's this? And we got the corn boiling. This is the shrimp that's already done. Wait, Mama, look. What's this? The mac and cheese. See? And then the steak is over there. And the brownies are in the oven.
So, you
So
know what?
yeah.
Time to bathe now.
But we have to show them our
Sarah. Baby, see you look. I see you look. Look.
Look at your row.
That's our thumbnail.
I'm so done.
Hold on, daddy man. That's what you know, you always just a rush stuff.
Yeah. You're rushing. Boy, I don't even know how to turn this stop recording.
Oh, but stop recording. See, you touch my camera now.
Okay, come on.
Hold on, man.
Oh, they're starting to cook for real. And the eat food, it's waterproof. So no eat on it.
Hold this. You want to show you something?
No, for real, he's just like... Ready? Wait.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. That's my boy. So I don't know what the thing setting up. Remember, like, share, subscribe, share it to a friend, to a next friend, and a next friend. And everybody will know.
We can know.
I know we can agree. They should agree that the food, the aroma from the food.
No.
Of our weak in our knees. Yeah. Yeah. I thought she agreed.
Lies.
Just like if she goes to Bumps and drink like a wine here. Oh, in my knee. See where food.
Oh, show me to come on.
See where food in your knee, baby.
A glass.
Yeah, man. So I guess when I want to say like everything kind of, yeah. fried shrimp. Corn.
So I show them the food when we eat.
Okay, me now go open this and show them because I see it already. Mac and cheese.
Yeah.
Steak. So, normally.
Show them the steak. Did you show them?
Yeah.
Oh, mama, look, it got icy because I pushed it.
Normally, we don't see the final product. So, you know, me go take it up for myself.
We gotta make sure.
Make sure me go do a plate just for sure. No? Because you know with them people here, are the food ready? Them no business with no camera again. They just
I
have
don't be
name.
forgetting.
And guess what?
Take pictures for my own self.
If your camera dropping at them plate, they'll name that too. Especially this one here.
No, you.
And then the one here too.
No, you.
Oh, I can take this off them.
Oh, yeah. Because we
But
cute,
you know,
Benny.
yeah. Yeah, baby. Shake it.
Oh, yeah, edges
Yeah.
kind of messed up.
Yeah, baby. My baby really here. Right, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Girl. Let me see.
You Indian. Yeah, man, I saw our son that go on sometime, man.
Show my hair.
Yeah, okay. I never know you have an ear. Yeah. Devane. Are your ear man showing in your mouth? So you have to what's that?
I'm about to go
Shake
bed.
it, Debbie. Shake it. Yeah.
People, I don't know when I'm scared. Me say me I go bed. I don't know what time it is.
Yeah, sleep time. But you can
I should say like see me like what time. You know what time is it?
Alright. But baby, you can't just bed and go lie down and sleep.
No, I'm not sleeping.
Tuesday you wake up.
I'm not sleeping. Me bed and get ready to eat my food.
Baby.
And then me can sleep.
Baby. You can't go sleep and wake up Tuesday. So when you wake up Tuesday now you just do the dishes because
Okay, so when we wake up Tuesday now, you gotta pay me?
my
For
son
what?
go-
Cause me not gonna clock in a morning, so what you gotta do? You gotta pay me for the day then?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, then no problem.
Much a day?
$100 a day.
Okay, make your 2 bills and tell her to keep the change, baby.
Wow.
I got it like that.
Wow.
Hey, baby. You didn't know?
Wow.
Yo, big up on yourself, you know. No, not big up on yourself, because I'm showing you the food. Alright then? But you don't know. When the food them ready, look how I'm showing us. Tell her what she deal with food. That's my baby over there. Nick. You see you can't take that, you slow down on the bite in the
No, I
car.
have not.
Cause somebody see I go
I've been saw you in your camera.
That's it. You slow down, go turn on the camera.
Not true.
Yeah man.
Just hungry.
The Nique hungry, you know? She not even bother plate. Do the plating at the thing for the vlog. Yeah, mash up the thing you know, you see me?
Hungry. Fuck.
Yeah.
People say steak now.
Go on do your thing, man.
So good.
I should drink wine too.
Red wine.
Should live the life. Yeah.
I'm in my bed. Some people say, like you eat in your bed. Yep.
Yeah. That we're not nice if we play.
I'm
No.
not bed. You're there.
David said that's ready. Yeah, David.
Look, when I poked the knife in there.
You know,
Nothing.
Perfect. You been ready, David?
No.
Oh,
I was straight in my room.
Alright, boy, in there.
Yeah. I'm going to bed.
Yeah, man, so I saw a thing set, man, on the Sunday. Alright, last Sunday for a month, baby.
Yeah.
So, I don't know the thing set already, you know what I mean?
Nice people, man. I lie. Let's not about to talk to you. Hungry.
Yeah,
Food
understand?
nice. Macaroni, everything come out good.
So, you don't have to buy that plate no
Just
food.
to do.
Yeah, just
You promise the people them you gonna plate the food, plate the food.
send a plate, man.
No.
But yeah.
Being lazy.
But me
And
I
they don't
say,
want to talk about me.
But me now got eat the mac and cheese and something. So me think say that split.
Well, I'm not for the mac and cheese. And she's there. I can't be eating food in
Can I
prison.
taste a piece of your mac and cheese, Mama?
Them greedy.
You the one that I don't want that.
Look, Yuri. Yuri plate it, you know? So me go show no. Yuri say me no want no.
Wow, Yuri.
Yuri say me no want no plate, no table, cause me no want none drop. Straight a ground them a go, you know.
How are you?
Yeah, daddy. Nice.
Go ahead.
What do I start with first?
Anything first?
Macaroni.
I deal with everything good.
Yeah, everything nice.
Yeah, man, everything nice. Done nice, you know, when you get all the plate.
I'm done, bro.
Yeah, man, say you don't know enough people. You don't know me say like. Oh.
Share. Subscribe.
Yeah.
Bye. Oh, by the
Hey.
way, me beat already now, I'm spend
Well, I
nice.
know. You see Sharon? Nigga right, if you hold her, I wanna go get in her room, she fast asleep, I have to wake up with a baby.
When? You have proof?
Eh?
You have proof?
Yeah, me there for there. Where you asleep?
You are?
Eh.
Oh, okay.
Okay. That's my baby.
Oh, wait, Panda, cause you know, if you done nothing is lie.
See, you don't know me
When
say
you
no.
can't tell lies, Jesus, peace.
Me not tell a lie upon you. So,
You don't tell like for me, but you have to tell like your video.
subscribe and share, you know what I mean? Tell some people about Nique. You don't know the thing set, you see me?
You see, if you go so,
Alright,
piece I
let me
can.
go up on my knee. Yeah, see me there on my knee now, and with the evil now. And look one, Dr. Dev. Yeah. So you don't know, you know?
Not eat.
It's another one. You hear? Alright then, you see me?